So today I'm going to be reviewing the L'Oreal True Mall. No, that isn't what this is. Today I'm going to be reviewing the L'Oreal Today I'm going to be reviewing the L'Oreal True Match Glow Me Lotion. Son of a bitch. Hey guys, this is going to be a review over the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. I finally said it correctly. I've either been saying L'Oreal True Mall or Glow Me Lotion, and this is neither of those things. So I'm going to review the product, but I'm also going to do a fancy little sidebar and kind of show you the 3 ways that I've been wearing it. It comes with 1.35 fluid ounces or 40 milliliters. It costs $12, which is kind of pricey, but a little goes a long way, so it should last you for a while unless you're extra like me and want to glow all the time as much as possible. It says dot blend glow, apply alone or under makeup, use lighter shade to illuminate all over or highlight, use darker shade to bronze all over or contour. There's 4 shades. I believe there's fair, light, medium, and deep. So it's 2 light shades and then 2 darker shades. Now, one thing that I will point out is that it is not moisturizing at all, but it doesn't claim to be. It doesn't claim to be an illuminating moisturizer. It claims to be a natural glow enhancer, which is what it is. Now, I will say that it is extremely lightweight, maybe even weightless. You can't feel it whenever you put it on. I have used a few liquid highlighters that have that weird tacky texture to them, to the point that whenever you do put on foundation or powder or whatever, it clings to that and it looks really, really cakey wherever you put it on. This one doesn't do that. I love the color of it. It's kind of like a pinky gold. It is pretty thick, and I love the way it just blends into the skin. It's really not that glittery. It's definitely got more of a sheen than it does glitter, which is what we want, right? So the first way that I like to wear it is on its own, down the center of my nose, forehead, almost said Cupid's bow, cheekbones, Cupid's bow, and my chin. Seriously takes me like 2 minutes. If I'm just running out the door and I want a little something on my face, then I'll just do that. The second way takes a little bit longer, takes me about 10-15 minutes at the most, and that's putting it all over my face. Powder, bronzer, brows, mascara.
Ice cold, I'm swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Love and hate, we've blurred the lines. I'm giving up this fight.
And the third way that I like to wear it is the way that I'm wearing it right now. I mix it with my foundation. So the 2 foundations that I'm wearing right now are the Milani 2-in-1, the Conceal and Perfect, and then the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation. I mix those 2 together. Best foundation combination ever. Now, neither one of those foundations has any kind of sheen or glow to them at all. So I like to mix the Lumi Glotion in with them to give them more of a glowy finish, because it's summertime and 'tis the season to be glowing. But one of the things that is very important to me that I did notice is that the Glotion does not change the composition of the foundation at all. It doesn't make it slide all over my face. It doesn't make it have any less coverage. It's absolutely perfect. And then after I put on my powder, I actually use it as a more controlled highlighter as well. I just put it on my makeup sponge, dab it wherever I want it, and then I'm good to go. So that's all I have to say about the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion. I hope that you guys go out and try it. I think that you'll love it. It seems like one of those products that's great for everybody. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.